Hello everybody, this is the Julie1241 from YouTube here, and today I'll make a video, a tutorial, and to show how to make a WordPress website. You have a WordPress website without the .wordpress.com extension at your URL, but a WordPress site where you'll have your desired thing and to have a remote web host. What do you mean a remote web host? A remote web host means that a web host on the other side, not hosted on your computer, but hosted in another place. So the first thing you want to make sure and do is you want to go to the wordpress.org/download/ and you're from the WordPress download site, and you gotta click the download WordPress 3.2.1. Now when you download the WordPress, it's not gonna take a long time. I have a quick computer. Now I'm going to explain it now. When you download WordPress from this site and upload it to a web server, you will have a lot more advantages rather than making a website at the WordPress.com website. When you make a website in this one, you'll get the plugins tab, which I'll explain that later when we get to make the WordPress site. Now the download has finished, so let's for 1 megabyte. So there we go, 3.8, and we're ready to go. There we go. We have found the WordPress, WordPress-3.2.1.zip. The other thing you want to make sure is that you need to go to your host and make a new MySQL database. Without that MySQL database, you can't do anything at your WordPress website. So I'm going to my web host. It's called 000webhost.com. So I'm going to go again, www.000webhost.com. I make a mistake right there, so sorry about that. It goes www.000webhost.com. It should be open right now. I mean, I gotta pause the video right now. I'm gonna go to that. So I'm back again. So it was the same. It was I did put it right, but I needed to pause the Camtasia Studio to just get inside. Now this is the best free web host you'll ever get in everyone. I don't know, everything you'll get to another web host. This is the best free web host. It has PHP, MySQL, FTP, and cPanel. It has a website builder and auto installer, 1 GB disk space, and 100 GB traffic. These are a lot, extremely good advantages, and they have a pretty good. So just if you like it, please donate it. It's a perfect free web host for beginners. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to make a new you want to be a member. So you have to sign up. I'm a member right now. I'm gonna go to members area and the login.php. You're gonna see that there. My email is gonna be put in autofilled because I'm gonna here. Yes, they're autofilled because I go here every day. Put TA here. I'd hit submit. It's loading. Now there you go. I have this domain over here. But what I want to do is that I want to make a new website. So I'm gonna go to the manage another domain and hit create new here. You will actually not have this thing, but you're just gonna hit create new. I'm gonna make a I want to host my own domain, or I'll choose your free subdomain. I'll choose this free domain subdomain. So I'm gonna say like the Julie tutorials dot in this extension over here. So I'll just see like this .host56. You'll get a random number for each website you open. So I'm gonna choose a password, which is gonna be a top secret one. You never guess it. Oops, sorry, my mistake. I always use to remove the all the password for only one letter, then I make a mistake. I bet you do that too. So yes, the password is found. Surely you found the password, but you never find the password of the thing you name it. So with the username and password, you'll find there. So now first of all, you need to go back to account list right now here. I'm gonna click this and hit save password. I actually didn't click it, I made a mistake right there. So I have this domain over here. So what I want to do is that you'll have a verification for 2 days. You need to wait about that because they need to verify if you're a real man or you are a robot. When that is verified, you can go to cPanel. Now that you're gone to the cPanel, it should be going quickly. There you go, it's opening. You should get a lot less time to open this thing because, you know, it'll take a less time. Now what you want to do is that you want to click the MySQL over here. Click the MySQL image or the text, it doesn't matter, both of those work. And you want to make sure that you want to open a new database. So you want to create a database. I'm going to create a database called the Julie. The MySQL username is going to be the Julie. But password for the MySQL user is going to be like 12345A. And enter password again, let me 12345A. And hit create database. Now you need to wait at this site over here. You need to wait about this. Now that your everything is set over here, and you need to go to your download that you made. You want to click at that zip file and extract it at your I don't know, at your desktop, at your My Documents, doesn't matter. Just extract it. It should be extracting. There you go. Now it is extracted. You want to get the WordPress file and put it anywhere. It doesn't matter. It's doing the process. I'm just gonna pause the video right now. I don't want to wait you. So the process of extracting has finished. I can close the file right now. Now this is the most important part, and you want to listen very. You want to listen. You want to listen very good. Now what you want to do is that you want to open the wp-config-example. You right click and open with, I don't know, open with you can open with Notepad, just, you know, the normal Notepad. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open with Notepad++. That's a pretty good, I don't know, HTML maker, program maker, batch maker. I don't know, it's a pretty good programming notepad. That's why it has that extension for plus. Anyway, let's leave those. We want to work with the WordPress. Now what you want to do, you see this MySQL database username. So what you want to do is that you need to get the MySQL database wait a minute, username, sorry. You want to get the username here. You want to copy it, get here, and put the username where it says username underscore here. Paste it. MySQL database password. So you want to click here. You want to get to the MySQL password. Copy it. Put the password here. Hit Control V. You want to go to MySQL hostname. MySQL hostname. This is the MySQL host actually. This is it. Right click it and put the where it says localhost. Paste it. And sorry, I forgot it to do for the beginning. You need to go to database name here. Surely you wouldn't do, you always do that. Without that it won't work. So you want to select again all of this thing here, paste it, and we're ready. Now what you want to do is that you want to save it. I saved it. Now the file is already saved. So I want to go to WordPress and close this thing. Now here at this w/config/sample that is saved, you want to right click and select rename and get this dash sample and remove it and click anywhere. Now this is everything that it is going pretty good. You want to open again the wp-config-example. Edit those things that I did before. If you didn't watch it, revert back and watch how I did it, and then remove the example. Now, another most important part is that you need to go to the you need to download, I don't know, I'm forgetting the verbs right now. You need to download FileZilla. Now, FileZilla is a pretty good FTP. Now, what does it mean? FTP means file transfer protocol. Now, you make the files, you get the files from this WordPress here and put it at your host. If you're doing this manually by just, going to the this is the website here, but it's gonna be this one, default PHP, because I didn't remove it. So you want to go to your hit, I don't know, list accounts and go to cPanel. Now let's leave those. We want to work here. You want to download FileZilla. I'll provide the link in the description. Okay, I'm going to provide the link in the description. So first of all, I need to open the FileZilla client. We're waiting for that. And now here at your website, you want to go to your cPanel. You want to go to your cPanel, and now that you are at your cPanel, you want to click the View Account Details. You really want to view the account details, and now here you have the name server details, everything you need. But what we want to do is that you need to go to this file upload details, or the FTP host name, and everything you'll find there. So let's close this WordPress here. We're waiting for FileZilla client to open. It shouldn't take long. Really, it shouldn't take long at all. For me, it's taking long. Now that I have this thing over here, what I want to do is I want to go to your check for updates. No, I don't want to do that. It finally update right when I'm making a tutorial. So what I want to do is I want to go to your FTP host name. I want to get this thing over here. Copy, go to FileZilla, host, Control V, username. You again here. Username is gonna be this one here. Copy it, go to FileZilla, paste it, Control V, and the password is gonna be like password that I put before. So I want to hit Quick Connect. Everything is pretty good right now. It's going extremely good. Now what you want to do is you want to go to public_HTML and delete the default.php. Hit yes. And now everything, the most important part over here is you want to open the WordPress thing here. And everything you'll find here, hit Control A, and every file is selected. You want to hold them and drag it to the remote site under the file name, in this part over here. So you want to click it, and now the files are uploading. Now I'm gonna pause this video for you guys. I don't want you to wait. So see you later, guys. So everybody, the uploading is finished. So now that the uploading is finished, you're ready to go and see the website. Just copy the host right here, hit copy, and then paste it. There you go, you have the website. And one way to do is you want to hit enter, and WordPress should automatically make you go at the website of the new installation of WordPress. Rating. So there you go, WordPress installation. If everything is done correctly, you should go to the your website and then hit enter. There you go, the WordPress installation website. We have the WordPress here. We have the information needed, everything you need to know, and we have the site title. The site title I'm gonna do is gonna be like the Julie Tutorials. The username is gonna be admin. The password is gonna be like in the email, I'm gonna say like julietutorials@gmail.com. wordpress.com, and allow my site to appear on search engines like Google or Technorati. Sure, I'll leave that. Sure, if the people won't search my website, how can I find it? So you have like success. WordPress installation has been installed. We're expecting more steps. Sorry to disappoint. Thank you, WordPress. So hit log in, and you're ready to go. And you go to the login PHP site. Put your username, the Julie 121. No, sorry, it's admin, and the password. Hit remember me and log in, so you don't have to put your password twice, or I don't know, twice, third. Every time you just get inside, and you go to the dashboard. So as I was saying before, that you'll have the plugins tab. When you have an original WordPress tab, when you open wordpress.com, you will not have that plugins tab section at the left. So there you go, you have the plugins section over here. Just you want to click the plugins section, and you'll go to the the plugins thing here, when you will be shown to the plugins that you have recently installed, or the plugins that you want to install. So everybody, this was all. It's pretty easy. So I don't want to say goodbye, but I need to say it. So everybody, goodbye, and I'm expecting to make more tutorials lately. So thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye bye.